What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Hey man, I really appreciate all the views you guys are giving me and subscribers you guys have gotten me for working on this thing. This thing has been a lot of fun, and the videos that I have, out of all my videos, the ones with this thing in it are the ones that's getting me all the views. So I appreciate it. Keep up the support, please. I really appreciate it. But today I got some brake pads in while I was out of town doing some work, so we're going to be throwing those on because they're running really thin, about to start eating my rotors up. So we'll go ahead and get started and change those brake pads out. Alright, so unfortunately you can't just pull the caliper off. It's part of the assembly that the axle goes through. So we gotta pull the chain guard off, pull the chain off, and pull this axle bolt out. And then the brake caliper will be free, so we can get, there's 2 pins on the back side of here that we need to get out. And the new pads, the pins slide through the new brake pads. So we'll go ahead and get started and pulling this thing apart. Alright, so I got the tire off, and we needed to get to these pins right here. So you just pop these 2 Allens loose. They're 4mm, I think. Yeah, 4mm. That's what they look like. Should be 2 of them. Your old pad, as soon as you pull this pin out, will fall right out. As you can tell, see, there's already starting to eat in to the metal, so it's pretty bad. So I got some new ones here. Hopefully they're the same size. They look like they are. So go ahead and we need to collapse this piston. What you can do to collapse this, just throw an old pad in there. And then you can tighten the C-clamp down. It'll collapse that piston as you tighten it up. Just take a little bit of grease, and this just helps them come out whenever I replace them again. Grease the threads up. Super easy job. Just trying to find the time to do it is half the battle. So we'll get this metal piece back in there where it belongs. Just like that. You just gotta line these holes back up. And don't tighten it all the way yet. You want to get both of them started. And that's what it looks like. Probably have to get a screwdriver and pry those out a little bit more. Just be super careful if you're doing it this way. You don't want to break those pads. Just enough room for your rotor to be able to fit in there. And then this just goes in this this little, I don't know what you'd call it, thing sticking out, slides in there, and your axle will go through here. So it's ready to put back together, and that's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna lube this axle up before I put it in. It's nice and dirty. Throw some grease on it. And while I have this chain guard off, I'll lube the chain up. So, I'll put you on a time lapse and we'll get it back together. Alright, that's it for this one. Nice, quick, easy project. I wore through those pretty quick, actually. The back brakes, hauling ass and just locking them up going into a corner. But super easy job. Brake pads are really cheap. So I guess the biggest pain in the butt's getting that rear wheel off. But that's it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think, guys, and I'll get more of these for you. Till next time, peace!